Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make an affidavit, guiding you through each crucial step. An affidavit is essentially a written declaration, made under oath, confirming the truth of its contents. It serves as a vital piece of evidence in many legal situations, from court cases to various official applications. Understanding its purpose is the first step towards creating one that stands up to scrutiny, providing clear and undeniable testimony when it truly matters. Every affidavit must start with specific identifying information to be valid. You need to clearly state your full legal name, your current address, and relevant contact details, such as a phone number or email. If the affidavit pertains to an existing legal case, include the case name and number at the very top. This foundational information establishes who is making the statement and in what context, ensuring proper identification and linkage to any ongoing proceedings, making the document clear from the outset. When drafting the actual statement of facts, clarity and accuracy are paramount. Write in the first person, describing events as you personally experienced them, such as "I witnessed the incident on Tuesday." Stick strictly to facts you know to be true, avoiding any speculation, opinions, or information you heard from others. Specific details like dates, times, and locations, for instance, at 3 o'clock in the afternoon on Elm Street, add significant weight and credibility to your declaration, making it robust and convincing. The final, critical step is signing your affidavit before a notary public or another authorized official. This person will verify your identity, often requiring a valid photo identification like a driver's license. You must sign the document in their direct presence, under oath, affirming the truthfulness of your statement. The notary then affixes their official seal and signature, legally validating your declaration. This notarization process is essential, as it legally binds you to the truth of your words, ensuring the document's legal standing. Before submitting your affidavit, take a moment for a thorough final review. Carefully proofread every word to catch any typos, grammatical errors, or missing information that could undermine its credibility. Always make at least 2 or 3 copies for your personal records before you submit the original document. Confirm the correct filing location and method, whether it's a court clerk's office or another specific department. For particularly complex situations, consulting with an attorney is always a wise decision, ensuring all legal requirements are met.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.